If you want to cancel your Dropbox free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure you won't be charged once the trial period ends. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Dropbox website and sign in using your credentials. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the free trial you wish to cancel. Step 2. Access your settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or initials in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to the Billing tab. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Billing tab. This section contains all the information related to your subscription and payment details. Step 4. Cancel your subscription. Look for the option that says Cancel Plan or Cancel Subscription. Click on this option and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to read any information provided about the cancellation process. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After completing the cancellation process, you should receive a confirmation email from Dropbox. Check your email to ensure that your free trial has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Dropbox free trial and avoid any unwanted charges. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Dropbox support for assistance.